If you're a small business owner selling products or services to people in your local community, you can't afford to ignore digital marketing. In this video, I'll show you how to make the most of it, even if you have little experience and a small budget. Hi everyone, welcome back to The Local Marketer, the channel dedicated to helping small businesses grow in their local communities. I'm Angela Bell, your trusted guide to all things modern marketing. And in this video, we're going to talk about how digital marketing is changing the game for small businesses. By the end of this video, you'll have an understanding of how digital marketing works and what you can do to attract new customers and grow your business online. I'll cover the basics of online advertising, social media marketing, and search engine optimization, and provide you with valuable insights and strategies to help you succeed in the digital world. Did you know that 88% of consumers research products online before making a purchase? And that 97% of consumers go online to find a local product or service? These numbers highlight the importance of having a digital marketing strategy for your small business. But where do you start? Let's begin with online advertising. Online advertising allows you to reach a large audience quickly and easily. And with platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads, you can target specific demographics, interests, and behaviors to reach your ideal customer. But online advertising can be overwhelming, especially if you're new to it. And that's why it's important to start small and test your campaigns. Set a budget that you're comfortable with and track your results. Over time, you can refine your campaigns and increase your budget as you see results. Another powerful tool for small businesses is social media marketing. With platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, you can connect with an audience on a personal level and build brand awareness. To get started with social media marketing, create a business page on your chosen platform and start posting regularly. Share behind-the-scenes glimpses of your business, showcase your products or services, and engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages. Social media marketing is also a great way to run promotions and contests, which can help drive engagement and attract new customers. And with features like Facebook's lookalike audience, you can target people who are similar to your current customers, making it easier to reach your ideal audience. Now, finally, let's talk about search engine optimization, or SEO. SEO is the process of optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results pages. By improving your website's ranking, you can attract more traffic to your site and increase your chances of making a sale. When someone searches for something on Google or another search engine, they type in certain words known as phrases or keywords. If your website has those same keywords in its content, meta descriptions, and title tags, it's more likely to appear at the top of the search results page. This process of optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results pages, or SERPs, is known as search engine optimization, or SEO. To improve your website's SEO, you need to conduct keyword research to identify the words and phrases that your target customers are using to search for products or services like yours. Once you have a list of relevant keywords, you need to optimize your website's content, meta descriptions, and title tags to include those keywords. So let's talk about content. Your website's content includes the text, images, and videos on your website. So you need to include those keywords in your content naturally, without just stuffing them in there unnaturally. Use the keywords in the headlines, subheadings, and the body of your content, but make sure it flows naturally and is readable for your audience. A meta description is a short summary of your website's content that appears below the page title on search engine results pages. It is a chance to persuade people to click on your website, so it should include the relevant keywords and provide an accurate description of your content. Title tag is the headline that appears on search engine results pages when your website shows up in the search result. It should include your primary keyword and accurately describe the content on your page. So by optimizing your website's content, meta descriptions, and title tags with the right keywords, you can improve your website's chances of appearing at the top of the search engine results page when someone searches for those keywords. This in turn can help drive more traffic to your website, improve your website's visibility and credibility, and ultimately help you attract more customers to grow your business. It's important to remember that SEO is an ongoing process. It requires regular updates and improvements. By staying up to date with the latest SEO trends and strategies, you can continue to optimize your website and stay ahead of your competition. Digital marketing is changing the game for small businesses. By utilizing online advertising, social media marketing, and SEO, small businesses can reach new customers, build brand awareness, and grow their businesses in ways that were not possible before the digital age. The key to successful digital marketing is to start small and test your campaigns. Set a budget that you're comfortable with, track your results, refine your campaigns over time. And don't forget to focus on building relationships with your audience by engaging with them on social media and providing that valuable content on your website. As a small business owner, it's important to stay up to date on the latest digital marketing trends and techniques. By doing so, you can stay ahead of the competition and continue to grow your business. So don't be afraid to invest in digital marketing for your small business. With the right strategies in place, you can attract new customers, build brand awareness, and achieve your business goals. Remember, small steps lead to big wins. Keep taking those steps and keep growing your local business. And don't forget to like and subscribe to The Local Marketer for more tips and tricks on how to grow your small business. Thanks for watching.